So maybe I should just do a little exploring. Where is it? Dude, where the hell am I going? Dude, this is amazing. Holy shit, this is not good. Hey, is this someone's driveway?
No, you can go on up.
I just didn't know how high I could go and not get in trouble.
You can go all the way around as far as I know.
Oh, and he comes back out to the road?
No.
Oh, okay.
Come right back down this same road.
Okay.
It goes out onto a ledge over here, and then you can take that. I haven't been up this one. You can swing back around and come back over here. I think
Oh, man.
that over there, you can come back and go all the way over here.
Hey, you're going to end up building a house up here.
I think, but I don't think that's a large enough pad over there, so.
Oh. Okay. I'm probably just going to turn back around. I don't really have the tires for it, and it's like getting steep.
You
So.
start to get real steep right there.
Yeah, it looked like it.
But at least give yourself a look out over here. You can see the mountains.
Okay.
Right up, go around, and then come right back over there.
Okay.
Enjoy the view.
Yeah. I'll try it. Just worried about my tires, man. At least go up here and check it out, he said. I'm like, dude, you're gonna end up building a house up here. He's on, nah, I just come up here and smoke weed. Yeah. That's pretty cool, man. Woo! Anti-lock's kicking in. Oh, they got a little trash can here for everybody's freaking party trash. Would be a rad place to build a house, though. Dang. Very cool. I always wondered what was up here. But, like he said, it looks like it gets really steep going up the rest of the way, because it goes up to there, and then up to the top and around. I could tell just by looking at it. Oh, there's there's a freaking rubber laying on the ground. Yeah, that trail right there looks like it gets pretty gnarly. Get going steep up there. And I don't really have the tires or the skills. Maybe if I was on my dirt bike I could do it no problem, but I don't know. Then again, this bike's pretty smooth as far as the power band, so that helps a lot. Alright, take care. Damn, my anti-locks are totally kicking in now. I'm stuck in the freaking center, so I was just like riding it out. Sometimes when you're like in a zero traction situation like that, it's like, dude, just let the bike go where it freaking wants to go. Someone told me a long time ago, they're like, the motorcycle does not need you. And I always think about that. The motorcycle does not need you to be going and rolling and everything else. Like, that's what they told me. They're like, what's the first thing that happens? Like, you see a guy, like, he'll crash or whatever, and like, if the bike's still on its wheels, what happens? It rights itself, and it just goes woo, and it keeps on going until it runs out of speed, and then it falls over to the side. Because the bike knows how to ride itself. You know, the wheels, once the wheels are turning, it freaking balances itself. So sometimes, like, I was kind of stuck in the center of the trail, just like going in that rut. I just let it go. It's like, who cares? Better than trying to like fight to go where you want to go and you end up crashing because of it. That was pretty rad. The Continental Supermoto tires did pretty good. That was the first time I've ever really tested them in the dirt, but going up that hill they did pretty good.